Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Tuesdays in the Attic, late from last week. I'm trying to get it done quickly, so I did skip a few steps, fortunately for you, but wanted to show you I am playing with this Photoplay paper. Family Fun Night is the collection, so lots of fun icons. This was a scrap room kit. It was one of, I don't remember when. The Scrap Room store will be linked down below. It is not a Flavors of the Month kit for this month, but a lot of fun things. I actually did a layout with this, and then I went through and I picked out a bunch of photos that also would go really well with this collection. So we're scrapping one of them today. The cuts we need to make are 12 by 1.5, 10.5 by 3.5, 10.5 by 6, 6.5 by 4.5, 2 by 3, and 4-inch circle. So let me show you what I've done. I went ahead and in my stash, I went and grabbed this background paper. I'm not really sure if I like it, but I like it to a point that it's interesting. It's not plain white. It's from this Park Lane Sonoma paper pad. I love these for using for random backgrounds or random colors that need to get added. Super fun. Ooh, that's a cute paper. I got a layout coming up. It looks like hearts, but I think they're chevrons. Tear one of those out for a layout I need to do. But I grabbed this one, which I'm liking. So here is my 2x3. This worked out really well. This is my 12 by 1.5. It ended up being one film strip, which I think I might actually tuck under. We'll see. Maybe I'll get some washi out too. This is the 10.5 by 6. This is the 10.5 by 3.5. This is my 4.5 by 6.5. This is my 4-inch circle. I have distressed it. I actually cut this popcorn out of one of the pocket cards, and I cut two 4.5-inch circle pictures, except for I am aware that the 4.5 is not the size of my photos. So I was planning ahead and I decided to do this. And I was gonna, like I said, I fussy cut that popcorn out. I think I'm gonna do something along the lines of this. Put that as the border break. I might just stick this down here and we'll create like a thing. And then this yellow up here. This is where my title is going to live with this popcorn that I fussy cut out and I distressed the circle. So I'm gonna start gluing some things down. And then I have all this fun embellishments. I've got these chipboard arrows, we've got the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and we've got some other little ephemera pieces. So let's see what we can use off of this. I'm not seeing anything at the moment. I have an idea for maybe my title, so I'm gonna go ahead and go find some stickers or thickers to use right here. But right now I'm gonna just glue what I have down. So I will be back. I've got things glued down. I've inked up all the edges as well. I added this film strip from 49th and Market that I got from Some Assemblage Required, one of the kits from earlier this year, as well as some of these tickets, which I tore off a couple. I've picked out, there's not a lot of ephemera that's only like popcorn or movie, even though this isn't even movie. So I'm just going to kind of create a little cluster with these tickets as well. I grabbed some embellishments from, or things from Elle Studio. I did take some Elle Studio Jane Alphas in white and did On Sundays We Make, and then this is popcorn, and then I want to be able to journal about it down here. I'm currently cutting another cut file for another layout, so ignore that. I was trying to decide how I wanted to do this, and I think I need a bigger label or spot down here. I don't think this is going to work, so I thought maybe I'd use that, but I think I'm gonna do, I had started like making a cluster like right here. I just want to cover up movie night. Even though popcorn and movies go together all the time, this layout really isn't about that. It's just about the popcorn and how at Grandma and Grandpa's we have it on Sundays. And that's how it was all the time. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. And I happen to have this one. It's a muffin. It looked like popcorn for a second. But yeah. Like I said, I inked up all the edges. I should ink up the edges of my tickets. There's a little bit left on my dauber, not a lot. Kind of want to create some and then family. That works for me. Put a little foam under there. I did put some foam, popped this all up. Where's my foam scissors? There it is. There we go. Gives a little stabilization. And then I can Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.